Experiencing issues with your Tesla app not showing the correct location or status of your car. This is a common problem stemming from a few key areas. Problems with app cache, network connectivity issues, GPS inaccuracies, or occasional Tesla server outages. We'll break down each cause and, most importantly, how to fix it. The Tesla app relies on a secure connection between your phone, Tesla's cloud servers, and your car. Your Tesla uses GPS to determine its location. This data is transmitted via cellular networks to Tesla's servers and finally to your app. Any break in this chain can cause update issues. Make sure your Tesla is online by checking the Vehicle tab in the app. First, ensure your phone has a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or cellular. Make sure your phone's GPS is enabled and that the Tesla app has permission to access your location. On both iOS and Android, check your phone's settings to confirm the app has the necessary location permissions. A weak GPS signal, especially in urban areas or due to weather, can also cause problems. App cache stores temporary data, and corrupted cache can prevent the app from updating correctly. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then Tesla, select Storage, and tap Clear Cache. On iOS, the process is slightly different. You'll need to offload app, which preserves your data, and then reinstall it from the App Store. This clears the cache and forces a fresh data pull. A simple restart can often resolve many tech issues. Experts consider this a 90% effective first-line fix for Tesla app problems. First, force close the Tesla app completely. Go to your app settings and select Force Stop. Then, restart your smartphone. This clears temporary memory and refreshes system processes. Once your phone is back on, relaunch the Tesla app. This should restore the connection and fix temporary glitches. This can refresh the connection and resolve temporary glitches. Tesla frequently releases updates for both the mobile app and vehicle software that include important bug fixes and performance improvements. Keeping both up to date ensures your app can properly communicate with your car and display accurate location and status information. First, let's update the Tesla app on Android devices. Open the Google Play Store app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the top right, then select My Apps and Games from the menu. Look for the Tesla app in the Updates section. If an update is available, tap the Update button next to it. For iOS devices, open the App Store. Tap your profile picture at the top right, then scroll down to see available updates. Look for the Tesla app in the list. If an update is shown, tap the Update button next to the Tesla app to install it. Now for the vehicle software. On your Tesla's touchscreen, tap the Controls icon, then select Software from the menu. Check if any updates are available. If so, follow the on-screen prompts to download and install the update. Make sure your car is parked and, if needed, plugged into a charger for the installation. Regularly checking for and installing updates for both the Tesla app and your vehicle's software helps maintain optimal performance and ensures full compatibility between the app and your car. If basic troubleshooting hasn't resolved your Tesla app issues, it's time to try more advanced steps. First, consider resetting your phone's network settings, which can clear any persistent connectivity problems. To reset network settings on iOS, go to Settings, then General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Reset Network Settings. On Android, navigate to Settings, System, Reset Options, and choose Reset Wi-Fi Mobile and Bluetooth. This will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords, so have them ready. If resetting network settings doesn't help, reach out to Tesla support as a last resort. You can contact them through the Tesla app by tapping the menu, selecting Help, then Contact Us. Alternatively, visit support.tesla.com or call their hotline. Provide details about your issue for faster resolution. Finally, check Tesla's official server status page at status.tesla.com to see if there are any known outages affecting app connectivity. Outages are rare but can occur due to server maintenance or unexpected issues. If the site shows problems, wait for Tesla to resolve them. Tesla is actively working on improving app reliability. Expect to see more AI-driven diagnostics within the app that proactively flag issues. Tesla is also exploring satellite-based data transmission to bypass terrestrial network limitations, especially in remote areas. These advancements should lead to fewer update problems in the future. Keep an eye on Tesla's official channels for the latest updates and improvements.